Hello everyone, it's Black Friday, we've arrived, and it is the cyber sale at Tonic Studios, which has been running all week and it's running till Tuesday. We have got some of our best deals so far at some amazing prices, so let's find out what's available on the store. First up, we have our Nouveau alcohol markers. There's 34 pens in this collection at 60% off, and you get a variety of colours and shades in the qualities you expect from Nouveau. Next up, we have another marvellous Nouveau alcohol pen bundle. There's 54 pens in total at 70% off. You get full packs of 3 in loads of different shades. Massive bargain there to be had. Next, we have an excellent selection of 6x6 books in Pearlescent, speciality card, foiled craft card, and much more. There's 264 sheets in total, and that's 60% off. We've got our beautiful handbag and roller set storage in a grey Nouveau shade. It's available at 40% off the store. And finally, we have our garden party stamp sets, 60% off for 6 sets, a real wonderful bargain on some amazing stamps. And there we have it. That's day 4 of your Cyber Week sale so far. Join me tomorrow where I reveal the next in this amazing sale.